The government is paying homeowners $1.6 billion to make energy-efficient home improvements, and here's how you can spend the government's money. Americans looking to make energy-efficient home improvements are poised to receive millions of dollars in tax breaks after the broad spending package was just approved this past month by the Senate. The potential tax savings for homeowners, thanks to the expanded credit under the energy bill, would be an estimated $1.6 billion in 2023 alone, up from an estimated $253 million in 2022 for the old credit, according to the Congressional Budget Office estimate. So with this bill, they replace the lifetime credit of $500 annual credit to $1,200. Under the revamped credit, effective January 1st, the credit jumps to 30%, and the limit changes to $1,200 annually. This means you could claim a 30% credit on the first $4,000 you spend on energy-efficient home improvements each year. So what are the best investments we can make as homeowners to leverage this new tax benefit? There are still sub-limits each year for certain items, so be on the lookout for them. For indoor improvements, $600 for some air conditioners, water heaters, boilers, windows, and skylights. $250 for any one exterior door, or $500 for multiple exterior doors. So given the limits, the max credit on a 4,000 window job would be $600. You could put in new windows and a new water heater in 1 year and get the full $1,200 credit. You can budget out different energy efficient upgrades over the 10-year period. Insulation 1 year, windows and doors another year, etc. You can also get a home energy audit and take a credit up to $150. Oh, and don't forget to claim the credit. Taxpayers must attach the IRS Form 5695 residential energy credits to their 1040 tax return. Watch the rules. Timing and expenditures is important. Know how much credit you can get by category and plan your spending accordingly. If you enjoyed this video, you might like this one over here, especially if you live in Massachusetts. It's all about the Massachusetts energy savings. Thank you so much for watching. Last thing, hit the subscribe button as we're putting out new videos every week about the luxury real estate market, local market conditions, and tips on selling and buying. And I hope you enjoy.